In this set of promotional videos, we are going to go through three main topics. First, project workshops. Second, project outreach activities. And third, project sampling, today's topic. For more info about the others BrineRIS promotional videos, please check our websites and social media. One of the main goals of the BrineRIS project is to sample geothermal brines, in order to know about the brine's raw material content. The first project sampling was achieved in Poland. The Polish project team took samples from the GT1 BIS borehole. The sampling was an opportunity to test the equipment and the restrictive sampling procedure. On the 7th of December, 2022, the WAS team members, in collaboration with the Polish National Geological Institute, collected more than 130 liters of brines in Dębieńsko, Poland. Brine samples were sent to the laboratory and technological partners. Sampling was carried out following the applicable rules developed by the project partners. In addition, on April 2023, the WAS team members carried out a brine sampling in a gas exploitation well on Usichel, Poland. Field measurements were taken during the campaign in order to achieve correct sampling. As well, on 2023, the State Geological Institute of Dębieńsko team members perform a brine sampling campaign at different locations in Slovakia. Brine samples were taken from wells and from a geothermal well on a thermal bath infrastructure. Brine samples were sent to the laboratory for further analysis. Results will be essential to achieve project objectives. Finally, on 2023, the Spanish National Research Council team members carried out several campaigns western, eastern, and southern Spain. Brine samples were collected from thermal and natural spring at different locations, and sent to the laboratory for hydrochemical analysis. For further information, please visit our websites and follow us on social media.